From the moment the first light touches the tarmac, our entire team steps into a day filled with movement, coordination, and the steady rhythm of airport life. As we walk onto the ramp, we are greeted by the distant hum of engines warming up, the soft beeping of service vehicles preparing for their routes, and the sight of aircraft lined up for their morning departures. Our work begins with calm precision, guiding each arriving aircraft with clear signals, ensuring it reaches its stand safely and coordinating every step with the flight deck and ground control. Once the aircraft comes to a complete stop, another wave of activity unfolds as the boarding bridge is carefully aligned. The cabin crew opens the doors, and the first passengers begin to disembark. Throughout the ramp, cargo teams move briskly, transferring containers, securing shipments, and preparing outbound loads with deliberate and practiced efficiency. At the same time, our maintenance technicians examine the aircraft, closely checking sensors, inspecting landing gear, verifying panels, and making sure every detail meets strict safety standards before the next flight. Catering trucks arrive to refresh the galley, fuel crews connect lines with measured accuracy, and baggage teams sort and deliver luggage to each waiting belt. As the day transitions into its busy midday pace, our coordination becomes a constant flow of information shared across radios and hand signals. We prepare aircraft for departure by confirming documentation, finishing cargo loading, performing external walkarounds, and guiding the final passenger movements. When the cockpit requests pushback, we secure the area, connect the tow bar, and begin the coordinated dance that slowly moves the aircraft away from the gate. Watching the jet roll onto the taxiway, ready to take its place in the departure queue, gives us a quiet sense of accomplishment. Yet even in that moment, the next task is already calling. Another arrival approaching the runway, another aircraft awaiting service, another team ready to step in and continue the cycle. Afternoon brings its own energy as the sun reflects across the fuselage of every plane in motion. We assist transit passengers, handle connecting baggage, oversee cargo transfers, and prepare aircraft that will fly across continents by nightfall. On the apron, service vehicles move with purposeful direction, each one contributing to the larger network that keeps flights punctual and safe. Despite the steady pace, there are small, meaningful moments, exchanging a friendly nod with a colleague, watching a child wave at a taxiing aircraft, or pausing briefly to admire the power of a jet lifting effortlessly into the sky. As evening settles and the runway lights begin to glow, our duties continue under a calmer, cooler atmosphere. Night operations require even sharper focus, verifying equipment, lighting, coordinating movements in reduced visibility, and ensuring every procedure is carried out with the same consistency as in daylight. Cargo flights arrive in larger numbers, bringing heavy shipments that must be managed, sorted, and transferred with steady hands and exact timing. The illuminated ramp becomes a stage of activity loaders rising and descending, crews guiding aircraft with reflective wands, and maintenance teams performing checks under bright spotlights. Even past midnight, the airport never truly rests. While the world sleeps, we continue to support flights that cross time zones, carry essential goods, or transport passengers beginning journeys of their own. And as each aircraft takes off into the dark sky or touches down with glowing landing lights, we find satisfaction in knowing that every safe movement, every smooth turnaround, and every successful departure reflects the dedication of our entire team. Our work is a continuous cycle of preparation, precision, and quiet pride. Daily reminder that even the most complex operations are made possible through cooperation, discipline, and our shared commitment to keeping the airport alive around the clock.
accomplishment.